Okay, I'm showing you my gut restoration recipe. So we have your alkaline water. We have your blue Aguave syrup. No worries about spiking diabetes or sugar. No sugar spikes here. Regular bananas that you peel from this end. Peel from this end, knock that out, knock this off, and you're ready to eat the skin of the banana and the juicy sweet inside. Then you have your blueberries. Great gas gut restorer here. Fresh blueberries. After I purchased my blueberries, I put them in the freezer. See how cold they are? They keep, and you can use them for later. And I buy about 6 containers because I'm constantly ninja. Look at that. There we go. This is my ninja. Beautiful. See that? So it's blending. All the ingredients set. Now let's look inside. Well, hold on. There we go. And you can drink directly from this cup. That's what the Ninja allows you to do. Okay, hold on a moment. Let me put the phone down. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. These are bananas, banana peel, okay, and blueberries. Yes, indeed, that's what that is. The banana peels, look at that. The banana peels are now baby food. And this is going to help restore GERD, gastrointestinal issues, and help you get rid of a lot of gas that might be trapped in your stomach, help you lose weight in the gut region, boost immunities, and feel 100% better. There it is. Last time I showed you that I fried the bananas. This time I ninja'd my banana peels. Give it a try and feel 100% better. And it hardly costs anything. Your Dollar Tree carries, your 99-cent store, your Dollar Tree, your grocery outlets, you know, they carry blueberries for dollars, $2, $3. Because blueberries are very expensive at the big markets like Albertsons, Vons, Kroger's, and things like that. But you can get a lot of packages and containers of blueberries for a couple of dollars. Or grow your own tree. All right, be creative during these inflation times. Want to start? Beats out.